What is a fathah? Well, a fathah is just a vowel in Arabic. In English, we have multiple vowels, A, E, I, O, U. Arabic is exactly the same. Fathah is the vowel that makes a sound. The only difference is, in English, we write the vowels after the words. So let's say we want to say bat. In English, we won't write B, T. We would have to put the A as well. But in Arabic, the A sound, the A sound, the A vowel is simply represented by putting a diagonal little line on top of a word. So if you ever see this line on top of a word, it makes a sound. So we've covered in previous videos what sounds all the Arabic letters make, from alif, ba, ta, tha, jim, all the way to ya. So now if we add this little fathah to it, we will see how it makes a sound. So let's have a look. Let's just boop, get rid of these. So if we were to take the letter ba, for example, we've covered in previous videos that it makes a b sound. Say it with me, b, b, b. Now if we put a fathah on the top of it, it makes a ba sound. Let's take a look at ta. Here's the little ta. Put that little line on it, and now it's a ta, ba, ta. Now let's draw a tha. You probably guessed it. Let's put the little fathah on it. What sound does it make? Now it makes a tha sound. So ba, ta, tha. If they didn't have the vowels on them, if they didn't have the fathahs on them, it would have just been b, t, th. But now we've added vowels and we've added a bit of spice to the mixture, and we've elevated it and we've made it make a ba, ta, tha sound. Take any letter you want. Jim, Dad, Ra, I don't know, Ain. What else is there? Any letter. Lam. By themselves, Jim makes a j sound. By itself, Dad makes a b sound. By itself, Ra makes a r sound. By itself, Ain makes a sound. And by itself, Lam makes a l sound. Now let's add a little fathah, 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 fathah on top. Instead of j, now Jim makes a j sound. Instead of a d, now Dad makes a d sound. Now Ra makes a ra sound. Ain now makes a sound. And instead of a l, Lam now makes a la sound. So what I want you to take from this quick lesson is, if ever you see a fathah on top of a letter, that letter now makes a sound, similar to the a vowel in English. So we'll go through the whole alphabet now with fathah on the top. A, ba, ta, tha, ja, ha, kha, da, dha, ra, za, sa, sha, sa, da, ba, dha, a, gha, fa, qa, ka, la, ma, na, ha, wa, ya. So that's it. So with that, I end this lesson. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. But take care, and I'll see you on the other side, inshallah. Ma'as salama. Take care.